Hello and welcome dear students. Today we are going to start topic population dynamics. Before we start the topic, you must know the meaning of population dynamics. There are two words. First is population. Population means the number of people living in an area. On the other hand, dynamic means change. Next is world population. World population means number of humans currently living in the world. So currently there are 7.8 billion people living in the world. India and China alone accounts for 60% of the world population. So it's not like that all the human beings are evenly distributed on the globe. On the earth, the population is unevenly distributed. You can see in this figure that earth is divided into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere has more land, so the population is also more in northern hemisphere. On the other hand, southern hemisphere has less land, so there is less population in the southern hemisphere. Population on earth is not evenly distributed. Northern hemisphere has more land, so more population, whereas southern hemisphere has less land, so less population is living in southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere has less water and southern hemisphere has more water. So next is population dynamics. So what actually population dynamics is? It is the branch of life sciences which deals with the study of size and age composition of population. In other words, in population dynamics, we study the size and age of the people. That how many people are living, what is their age structure. In population dynamics, we also study birth rate, death rate, immigration and emigration. We will study all these topics in detail later in this chapter. Next is demography. What demography is? It is the statistical study of population of human beings. It means that in demography, we study the data related to the human population. For example, if we are saying that in the world there are 7.8 billion people living currently, so it means that is the data related to the world population, and we study that under